Garlic can improve heart health, lower blood pressure, and boost the immune system. Onions can improve heart health, lower blood sugar, and have anti-inflammatory properties. Bell peppers can improve eye health, have anti-inflammatory properties, and boost the immune system. Bell peppers are also low in calories, high in fiber, and have a high concentration of vitamin C. Parsley is a nutritious herb that is high in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Vegan sausage can provide high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals for plant-based diets. Vegan sausage can help reduce the risk of heart disease, lower cholesterol, and improve digestion. Onions also have antioxidants, can improve bone density, and have cancer-fighting properties. Crushed tomatoes can provide lycopene, an antioxidant that can reduce the risk of heart disease. Crushed tomatoes can also help with digestion, provide vitamin C, and support healthy skin.